Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron or Steel Updates, 23rd September 2025. Hi, I'm Dhaneshwar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at USD 106 per DMT in the noon close hours, down by 0.61% from the previous day, after trading within a narrow range of USD 105.3 to 106.6 per DMT. While today's movement reflects a mild correction, prices remain close to recent highs, sustaining the recovery from mid-August lows near USD 102 per DMT. The momentum continues to be supported by steady Chinese steel demand stabilization, balanced supply flows from key exporters, and consistent trading activity, although broader global growth concerns added slight pressure. Overall, the market shows signs of short-term consolidation with an underlying mildly bullish bias. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market moved in an uptrend today, with prices witnessing a slight rise across major hubs. Trading activity picked up modestly, supported by improved restocking from traders and a gradual pickup in demand from end users. Overall, the market reflected a positive sentiment with an upward bias in the near term. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,400 to 8,500 per ton ex-barbell. Pellet sponge trading levels around 24,800 to 24,900 in Raipur, up by 200 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 36,900 to 37,000. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,900 to 40,000 for the grade Fe 500. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.